2 to 3 hours of fiddling around Choa Chu Kang area. We're now making our way to Bird Paradise. I believe it's a new soft opening. This bird park fair used to be in the west, somewhere in Jurong, I believe. So now it's moved together to the rest of its counterparts. The entire animal kingdom is essentially in Mandai now.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
Oh yeah, okay, got it. Yeah, for a soft opening, this is not too bad. Bird's Paradise. If you are coming, take note when you take the bus, alight when you come into the sheltered area. If you overshot that, then you end up at zoo.
I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark.
So it's not that common where you find active animals here in Singapore. This is Bird's Paradise, quite literally for bird shooter.
I stumbled through the waking hours before they.
I think thus far this is one of those that it's pretty interactive as compared to the traditional kind of zoo.
All yours, baby. Now I'm yours. All yours, baby.
Now closer to 5 p.m. The weather's a little bit more forgiving. About 2 hours ago, we were bathing in the sun. So, what's your review of Bird's Paradise?
Not bad.
Not bad. It's quite interesting, but I think with this soft opening, there's actually quite a lot of hazard around. We notice, especially around places where there are gates and doors and walkways, especially for young ones. Often than not, they get trapped behind the door that swings outwards. Yeah, but I guess those dual doors are meant to keep the animals inside, because the last thing you want is a great escape. Okay, time for dinner. Off we go. This is practically the reason why we come to Sushiro. You pay $3, unlimited soft drink. Okay, we are back home already. Quite a long day. In the morning, we visited her mom to pass her some gifts for Mother's Day. That's tomorrow actually, for Sunday. Coincidentally, from Choa Chu Kang, heading down to zoo was quite near. It was just a simple 2-bus ride, and then visited the new Bird's Paradise. It's a very, very hot day. Definitely drank a lot at Sushiro. But nonetheless, thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.